Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. We play how to fix bugs and errors. So here I'll be teaching how to fix your bugs and errors on WePlay. So to fix some of the bugs and a few errors here at WePlay, all we need to do, first thing we need to do is go right here to WePlay, click on me on the bottom right corner. After clicking on we on the bottom right corner, click on settings right here. You see settings right here. After clicking on settings, you can click on clear cache. Right here, click on clear cache right here, temporary cache, clicking on that. There you go. Take some time to clear cache, please wait, blah blah blah. There you go. And you can clear other web cache or something like that, other cache. And here you can clear up some dress prop resources and play show outfits. So you can see right there, in-game resource, you can manage it. Click on that. Calculating. Let you get the point, you can clear some of this stuff right there to fix a little bit of a lag. And then if it really lags, click on quick repair right here. Fix application for green problems. Do not close app while the process is running. So we can click on that right there. And if still doesn't work, I suggest going to your settings. So we're gonna go to our settings. Right here at our settings, we need to click on apps. After clicking on apps, click on app management right here. Here at app management, we just need to go down till we see the app. It's WePlay, so it's W, so it's gonna be a little bit longer. WePlay right there. After right here, we can click on data usage. Right here, as you can see right here, here's the data usage right there. And then now what we're gonna do to fix it, we're gonna click on storage and click on clear data or clear cache first right here. Doesn't work, clear get data right here. And if still lags or sometimes bugs, click on force stop. And if still doesn't work, uninstall the app. There you go. And if still persists, next thing you can do is, I'll show you. Next thing you can do is contact customer service if it still bugs and you don't know what to do right here. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.